that gate, watch that gate.
Robert, here we going?
Yeah. You're not, hey, they're all curving down right here. You got an angle at them. Up there, up there, up there, up there. Look.
Yeah, I know. I was shooting at them.
Yeah, but you're hitting trees or something because you're not here. There you go. There you go. Fuck yeah. Yeah. Over that wall?
Yeah, that wall, that red wall?
Yeah.
Right over.
They threw one. They threw one over?
No, they should. Triggers, got trigger over there across the road.
Alright. Shit, let's get on that backside.
Oh, my arm.
Oh.
You got him?
It looked like you hit him, but he just backed up. I don't. Yeah, you got him. He fucking put up a hand. Oh no, maybe not. No, that motherfucker.
Yeah, I think they're getting ready for us to hit them.
Can we run back that way and then?
Well, yeah, we can. So we're not in the open because that's all open right there.
Yeah, I know, that's what I mean. Yeah, but I didn't see anybody getting hit in here.
No.
But we got guys running right here.
All right, y'all want to flank it this way?
Yeah.
Push right, try to get you behind those rocks and get behind them.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, let's go.
All three of us?
Yeah. All four of us.
Four?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, we're moving. Wait. There. See that guy up there? See that guy in the corner?
Yeah.
Now move. Oh, that's all right.
Shit. See one in the woods? I don't see anybody in the woods.
No.
Is that ours?
Yeah,
All
that's
right.
a green. Hey, y'all got a grenade? Huh? Nah, I got nades. Oh, what was that? Huh? Here. David. David, watch out. Fragging a grenade. Watch out. Ah! I told y'all to move! Yeah, that was me. I told y'all to move. God damn it, I gotta get close. Fuck this shit. Hey, watch that rooftop. Hey. Yeah.
What the fuck are you doing hiding in a goddamn tree?
We're sniper hunting. I know, Anthony got him.
Why would you get out of a fucking tree?
There's a guy up on the rooftop.
Oh, you scared?
Yeah. No, he was just shooting. Got him, got him. Woo-hoo-hoo. Bitch, you got that some bitch. No, I got the guy on that rooftop in front of you. I got him. When I hit him, my GoPro said hit. Huh?
About a fucking fight in here, bro.
All right.
There's an element running in from the side.
Hell yeah. I like playing in the woods. Hit.
Should have shot you.
Yeah, you should have. Hey, Price. Watch out, because I just got a guy right here. So they got pushed up already?
Oh, yeah, I'm on my own.
Oh.
Tell you that.
It's all good, bro. It's all good. What y'all got? What do y'all got? What y'all got? Watch that.
The tallest building here, that one right there, and the moth the rock right there.
Watch those buildings across.
There's two there.
Yeah.
You got burner hole there.
All right. Yeah, just watch out of the mirror holes.
Hey, these windows are super dark. I can't tell if there's anyone in there or not. Just shoot.
Somebody popped the smoke in that building.
I'm just trying to see.
Oh, there's that smoke.
Sounds like there's guys in the building number 9.
I saw somebody in that building, that last building on this left side. But backing up.
I don't know what I did to this, but
damn.
you just scared me.
Get him?
That window.
Which one?
I think Robert got him.
Huh? Yeah, watch out, 'cause he's directly across.
You OMG?
Yeah. Oh shit. Stay right there. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Oh, God damn it, he moved. No, there's a guy right there. I was trying to get him. Back. Woo. What was that?
Let's watch it.
Huh.
We'll get him there.
Oh. Hello.
You're on that corner.
Yeah, I seen him.
They just walk left into the building. Oh.
Huh? Hey, there was a guy in this building over here. Damn, I went to shoot at him and fucking I was out. Fuck.
What building are we in? I can see a map. You have a map?
Yeah.
That's a mirror.
Huh?
There's a little stick mirror.
Here,
Get a mirror on the Come on, we're moving! Over here, come on, at the stairs. You went down. We own this.
Matt,
There he is.
coming.
What do you want to do?
I don't know, let's go to other buildings. You wanna take other buildings? Come on.
Man, how far can we go? That looks like it leads to the roof. Oh man, we are up here.
Okay, well.
I just don't want to walk out in here and then get shot instantly. Oh, there's a dude right there in that building.
Yo!
Let me see if I can get an angle on this building.
Okay, I'm going up.
Got one! Hey! You guys got guys on the upside of the building. Hey Justin, you might want to come over here. That's another one down.